Samantala, muli namang nag-walk out sa session hall si Senadora Laila De Lima matapos akusahan ng ilang senador na nagtago ng impormasyon kaugnay ng kasong kidnap for ransom kay Edgar Matubato. Balitang hatid ni Chino Gaston.
Mr. Matubato already said that Mr. Matubato has already said that a case was filed against him.
Out of respect for everybody, I will.
I am walking out.
Mr. Chairman.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for you then.
Ganito natapos ang higit kumulang 14 na oras na pagdinig ng Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights sa mga kaso ng extrajudicial killing kahapon. Nag-walkout si Senator Laila De Lima matapos ang mainit na pagtatalo tungkol sa hindi umano niya pagsiwalat ng impormasyon na nasampahan ng kasong kidnap for ransom si Edgar Matubato ng NBI dahil sa pagdukot sa sinasabing terorista na si Sally Macdum. Lumitaw ang impormasyong ito sa pagtatanong ng mga senador sa NBI. Lalo pang uminit ang ulo ni Senator Gordon na chairman ng komite nang malamang pinauwi na pala ni Senator Antonio Trillanes na fourth si Matubato.
Matubato has no call to leave the Senate.
Mr. Chairman,
I will just finish. If he left the Senate, he should have asked permission. You all heard me say the other day, we are going to hold you there and force. If you come along, we would like. Now, the time has come. There is contrary evidence, contrary to what you said previously, and we just discovered it. And Senator De Lima has also admitted the statement of the NBI that there is a case that has been filed. So, tatawagin natin siya ngayon. Yan ang oras, yan ang timely. Iharap mo siya dito, para sa ganun, masalungat siya. Umalis siya eh. Umalis siya eh. Ano ang conclusion namin?
Mr. Chairman, may make a manifestation. It was not the call of Mr. Matubato. It was my call since I was providing protective custody to Mr. Matubato. And based on the assessment of my security officers, it was prudent to make him leave instead of traveling late at night.
It is incontrovertible that she was in possession of a note that she herself made that was so devastating, it could have been said while Matubato was lying here that there was a case filed against him na pinailan siya ng NBI ng kidnapping with ransom. Abay, hindi biro yun, hindi yung...
I detest the claim of material concealment. Hindi nyo naman po siguro i-expect sa akin na habang nagte-testify si Mr. Matubato ay lahat na lang na meron siyang sasabihin o hindi sasabihin ay ika-clarify ko po based on my notes.
Pero nang ipakita ni Senator Trillanes ang transcript ng mga nakaraang pagdinig, na lamang nasabi na pala ni Matubato sa kanyang testimonya ang naisampang kaso laban sa kanya. Sa puntong ito, nanindigan si Senator Laila De Lima na dapat humingi ng apology si Senator Gordon.
Mr. Chairman, precisely it was not concealed. If you would allow me to manifest on page 166 of the September 15, 2016 hearing, I quote the chairman, Senator De Lima, okay, yung pagpatay kay Sally Macdum, pinaninindigan nyo ba iyon na mayroon kayong pinatay na tao na pangalan Sally Macdum? Mr. Matubato, opo ma'am, kasi pinailan ako ng kaso ma'am ng kidnapping kang Sally Macdum, hindi ko sila tinuro, parang inako ko rin. Pinailan ako sa NBI.
So what is that?
So after all the rants and accusations, I believe Senator De Lima deserves an apology, Mr. Chairman.
What apology are you talking about?
I demand
There is no need
apology.
an apology because you had the information. You had the information from the very beginning.
The committee, Mr. Chairman.
From 2002, 2000.
Giit ni De Lima, wala siyang ginawang mali. Naging emosyonal pa ang senadora.
Hindi ko na po gusto yan. Sa House, ganun ginagawa sa akin yan. Kung ano-anong mga binibintang nila. Tapos dito, ganun din. Imagine that, narinig niyo yun. Material concealment, my God! That's a very serious accusation.
I try to bend backward. Nakita naman nyo, ang haba-haba ng kanyang interpellation. Tinutulungan ko pa eh. Sinabi ko pa nga sa kanya doon sa loob ng refectory, cool ka lang, ayaw mo, huwag ka mag-iinit dahil ganyan talaga, mahirap talaga. Pagkatapos nung tinago naman yun, ako napaka-unfair naman.
Kung matutuloy pa ang pagdinig sa mga kaso ng extrajudicial killing ng Senado, balak ni Senator Gordon na pagduunan ng pansin ang dumaraming namamatay sa kamay ng mga tinaguriang vigilante groups.
Chino Gaston, GMA News.